Exactly. 2 minutes to play. Just number 18 on the play. Penny, ano gagawin Penny? Lumasot, pero pinasa nila. Pinasa sa labas. Beast ball. Roka! Tatapusin na ba ng Roka? O mga nagawa ng Beast? Baan, sa mga susunod na minuto. Stay tuned tayo mga idol. Kami po ay magdadagat na. And there's a foul. Mid-band jersey. Who's my rep? 18 rep? 18? Ayun, 18. Jersey number 18. Penalty tayo, penalty. Penalty, Mr. Mabry. Second personal foul. Second personal foul para jersey number 18. First free throw para jersey number 14 is good. Third na po pala, sorry. Third na po si jersey number 18, si Penny, third personal foul. Third personal foul si Penny, third. Okay, ayan. Ulit-ulit pa tayo para hindi tayo nag-report sa bako. One minute and 50. 50 seconds shot clock. Out of mass. He's good. 1 minute and 41. Nirarat siya ng Joyce B. Mitchell. Talaga naman napakasipag ng batang ito. 1 minute and 30. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Roll pace. Shoot. No good. Rebound. This ball. 1 minute and 18 seconds left. Mapipiyok po. Just number 4. Triple ball, setting a play. Just number 4 up and just a foul. With about jersey number, who's the red? Jersey number 6. Official score po natin 50-58. 50-58. Time remaining 1 minute and 9.
Grabe yung defense.
Jersey number 6 ng Roka, second personal foul and penalty situation. First try. Just number 4, Narbasa.
Yokan!
Wala. How about second and last try? Nako! Up! Violation. Hindi tumama ng ring. Ayan. Nice rep! Galing na. Active. Mabilis ko sa 24 oras. Jersey number 18. Exactly. 1 minute to play. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Slap coming down, no good. Pull back, you rebound. Jersey number 5. Roy, you're gone. Jersey number